दोनों की हृदय शुद्ध
So you're reading about
प्रेम बनता है।
Prema Samput, right? So Krishna come in disguise as Devangana. And Krishna is saying,
आप कैसे प्रेम किया?
how can you, to Shrimati Radhika, how can you love such a cheater person, such a bad person? Because prem happens in the heart of those who have pure heart. So, but this Krishna, he's cheater, he's
अध्ययन कर रहे हैं
he's
यद्यपि बीच-बीच में
cheater, he's
कुछ और दूसरी कथा प्रसंग आता
cunning.
है,
So how can you
लेकिन तथापि करी हम लोग
love him? So actually, for already 1 month, we've been reading Prema Samput.
हम आलोचना
Because in the middle also we spoke other kathas because of other dates. But it's been a month since we started reading. We started this Prem Samput.
उछल कपट भी नहीं
Prem Samput. So Shrimati Radhika is actually saying here. Actually Krishna, he's not a cheater. He's not cunning. He's not a debauchee.
शक्ति नहीं रहा
Actually he doesn't have attachment to any other
मेरे
lady.
प्रति एकमात्र एक निष्ठा
He's actually one pointed to me. Shrimati Radhika is saying.
बताती जा रही है। यदि को श्रीमद् भागवत आदि ग्रंथ में
If you say that in Srimad
दोहरा दिया
Bhagavatam,
गया, ये कृष्ण
in other
जैसे
books,
गोपियों के साथ रास विहार आदि की
it's been explained how Krishna did Rasa Leela with all the gopis and Radha was feeling man, the sulky mood.
कृष्ण मेरा ही महिमा को ग्रेटनेस को प्रकाश करने के लिए
But actually Krishna,
यह एक प्रेम की चतुरता प्रकाश की
he wanted to manifest my glories.
प्रेम चातुर्य
This is called Prem Chaturja,
और कुछ नहीं
like the
ये प्रेम
cleverness or the
प्रकाश करने के लिए
being expert in Prem.
कृष्ण ये समस्त लीला आदि दर्शन
So
करा
Krishna did all these leelas just because of that.
अंत में उद्धव आदि के द्वारा ही कृष्ण भी
And in the end,
मेरा भी महिमा जगत में प्रचार कराया
through Uddhava, Krishna also preached my
उससे भी
glories.
संतुष्ट नहीं हुए तो कृष्ण किसके द्वारा एक द्वारा राधा जी के प्रेम प्रचार कराया
Then also Krishna preached the glories of Srimati Radhika by another person. Who?
देवांगना के साथ जो कथोपकथन हुई
So this katha which is going on between Radha and Devangana.
वो दिखाते जा रहे हैं
Srimati Radhika herself, she's showing all these things.
स्वयं कृष्ण जो राधा जी के प्रेम प्रचार किया
So,
ये नौ पारे निर्बंधम
Krishna himself, he preached the glories of Srimati Radhika's love through
किंतु इससे अधिक महत्व
through this sloka. Napariham Niravada Samyujam.
क्यों
But it's not so big a deal, not such a big a deal, nothing so incredible. Why? Because Krishna loves Srimati Radhika, so it's natural that we'll glorify his beloved. What is the greatness in that? What is the big deal about doing that? But when Uddhava described the glories of Srimati Radhika, this is something more
उससे
special.
अपेक्षा
But even more special than that is when what did they say? Do you remember the katha I told? Who was the most important person preaching the glories of Srimati Radhika? Tell me. I told.
चंद्रावली के द्वारा
When the rival Gopi Chandravali.
भूल गए
Oh lawyer, did you forget? Forgot.
बोले विपक्ष वाली के द्वारा यदि प्रचार हो
So if somebody from the opposite party glorifies, then everybody will accept.
कैबिनेट मंत्री में मंत्री सभा में
So imagine the cabinet
यदि
ministers.
प्रधानमंत्री के जय घोषणा यदि विपक्ष वाले यदि घोषणा करे हाँ
Imagine about politics, right? Even the opposite party from the prime minister, those who are against the prime minister and the president, if they say, oh yeah, he did good in doing this, like if they glorify them and the prime minister glorify the president,
वही विपक्ष वाले
this is everybody will, whoa, so really this is true. Because generally the opposite party, they just want to criticize the president or the prime minister or the government in charge. And if they also want to take him out of his post, generally, no, they want to change the position of the government,
ठीक उसी
to change who is in charge. But if the opposite party, they glorify, then everybody will, oh. So Chandravali,
विपक्ष वाली कहते हैं
she is a Vipaksha. She is a rival group.
सपक्ष होते
she's in the opposite group from Srimati Radhika. So 4 kinds of gopis: Swapaksha, Vipaksha, Tatastha,
क्या बोला
and Suhridya Paksha. What did I say?
है? ये विपरीत यानी विपक्ष वाली गोपियां कौन है?
So who is the Vipaksha Wala gopi?
Chandravali.
Who is the gopis in the rival group? Chandravali, etc.
वास्तव रूप में जो है यही तो राधा जी की महिमा विजय घोषणा की.
So she's really announcing the glories of Srimati Radhika, the victory of Srimati Radhika. She's glorifying this shloka. Anaraditonu nam Bhagavan Hari Ishvara.
संग चंद्रावली कारी ये श्लोक के जो है,
Chandravali said this shloka.
जिस गोपियों की कृष्ण लेकर के
That gopi who Krishna
जमुना
took,
के किनारा में
to whom Krishna took with him, and they're doing amorous pastimes now together in the banks of Jamuna.
भाग्यवती है.
This gopi is the most fortunate.
हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
So this is her preaching the glories of Srimati Radhika or not?
अनया
Yes.
आराधितो कृष्ण ने आराधिता इति है राधा कृष्ण के द्वारा ही जिन्होंने पूजित,
She is worshipped by Krishna himself,
इसलिए राधा
Srimati Radhika. That's why.
प्रेम घोषणा किसने किया?
So who announced
विपक्ष
the prem of Srimati Radhika?
गोपी चंद्रावली.
The gopis from the opposite party, Chandravali herself.
इसमें प्रेम संपुट में यही दिखा रहे.
So the Prema Samputa is showing this. Srimati Radhika herself, she's saying,
ये देवांगना,
Hey Devangana,
तुमने जो हमारे प्राण प्रियतम गोविंद के ऊपर जो दोष
you
लगाया,
are criticizing my beloved Govinda,
किंतु वास्तव वो दोषी नहीं है.
you are like allegating, like speaking some things bad about him. But
क्रिया आदि जो है,
actually, he hasn't got any faults.
मुझे जगत में
Everything he's done is just to show to the whole world how
और मैं ही
I am the highest,
सर्वोत्तमा हूँ.
how I am the most superior gopi.
मैं श्रेष्ठ हूँ.
Everything he did was just to show that to everyone.
पर देवता. तयोर उभयोर मध्य, राधा और चंद्रावली में श्रेष्ठ कौन है?
Who is
राधिका सर्वश्रेष्ठ मान.
Srimati Radhika is the highest.
इसलिए तो यही समस्त दिखाते जा रहे. यही प्रेम संपूर्ण ग्रंथ में
So in this book, Prem Samput, Srimati Radhika herself,
बोल रहे हैं.
she's saying,
ये कृष्ण छल नहीं है, कपट
Krishna,
नहीं है.
he isn't hypocrite. He is not like a cheater. No.
परनारी के साथ भी मिलते हैं.
Krishna is not meeting with others ladies like
जो ऊपर से दोष दिखाई पड़ता है,
externally we see this fault in him, but
मेरे प्रति
actually
एक प्रेम की उत्कर्षता दिखाने.
it was just to show how big is my love, to increase my love, and to show how my love is the most superior. That's why he's doing everything, all these things. So
दोषा ओपी प्रियतमो गुणानां जतसु तत् अष्टकम अमृतवत दावती तत्. यह पर कह रहे हैं, हे प्रिय सखी अर्थात देवांगना, सुनो, तुमने जो कहा, जो कुछ भी कहा,
whatever you said,
का दोष भी गुण के समान प्रतीत होता है.
actually these faults you're talking about my beloved, actually they are his qualities.
अत्यंत कष्ट भी अमृत के समान प्रतीत होता है.
Verse 96. My dear Saki, you have explained to me the following characteristics of Prem. Even the faults of the beloved may be perceived as good qualities. The many troubles given by the beloved may appear to be nectar. One with Prem is unable to bear even the slightest difficulty felt by the beloved. One with Prem is unable to give up the body, even if he wishes to. And at every step one perceives unprecedented glories in the beloved, even where there are none. Radha, this Prem is in you alone. I've heard this earlier in the assembly, and today I'm witnessing. So
वे हमें दुख दे रहे हैं, किंतु उस दुख के हमारे निकट कैसे
So what is Prem? If
सुख रूप में प्रतीत होता है.
even the unhappiness looks like
इस जगत के
looks like a
प्रेम
happiness
होता ही कहीं.
to those who are in
थोड़ा
love.
कुछ बोले तो हमें
This is not possible in this world. If somebody tells you something, maybe you'll be upset and be very sad. But in transcendental world, it's not like that.
और सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या है? सहनशीलता होना चाहिए.
So you should have the tolerance
है पेशेंस. पेशेंट और
patience.
पेशेंट. पेशेंस और
So patience and patience.
पेशेंट होता है ना, हाँ, पेशेंट मैंने जो रोगी,
Patient generally means the person who is sick.
कष्ट स्वीकार करना पड़ेगी कि नहीं?
Means the patient. Why the patient name has this name? Because those who are patient, like who are sick, they must tolerate the suffering, and
समय लगेगा।
it will take time. They'll go to the doctor. They'll have to tolerate the disease, to be patient with their suffering. That's why the name of patients, those
तो करो,
who go to the doctor, everything, like those who are.
निवारण होगा।
So we have to
एक
be.
दिन में थोड़ी निवारण हो जाएगा लोग, आप बताइए।
You have to be patient. Have to
गोली
be
ले लिया,
to be peaceful, because it will take time to cure your disease. It's not if you're very ill, very like hard, like very bad. If you're really ill, sick, it will take time.
एक्शन तो एक है ना।
Okay, you might take the medicine all, but take some time to work. What have I said?
मरीज हो गया वो, और डॉक्टर के पास जाए, उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इलाज करेगा, तब इलाज की एक दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा।
So the treatment takes some time. It's not like at the same moment. No.
पेशेंट,
So you have to be patient until the
हाँ, धैर्य धारण
treatment
करना पड़ेगा ना।
works. You have to be tolerant. You have to be patient.
धीरे-धीरे
So a patient should be patient. Understand?
आज ही दवाई लिया,
Ah, today I took the doctor. Today I took the medicine, and today I want to be cured. No, this is not possible.
धीरे-धीरे जाएगा।
It's slowly, slowly.
उसके लिए धैर्य धारण करना
So you
पड़ेगा।
have to be patient.
धैर्य धारण करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं?
You have to be patient or not.
से आपके कैसे चले? हैं? रोगी को क्या करना पड़ता है?
So you have to.
धैर्य धारण करना।
The sick people or the patients, they should be patient. Do you understand?
श्रीमती राधिका भी कहा
So Srimati Radhika is
कि
saying,
प्रियतम जो मुझे जो कुछ भी दुख दिया, जो कुछ
whatever pain my beloved gave to me,
वास्तव रूप में
actually
मुझे ये भी सिखाती है,
I accept all these sufferings. How?
धैर्य धारण करना पड़ता है।
Being patient, being tolerant,
धैर्य धारण करो।
being
ये
patient.
भी संसार की शिक्षा है।
There's also a teaching to this world.
कष्ट तो आएगा जीवन में।
Yeah, problems will come in your life,
इस
sufferings
संसार
will
में
come.
तुम्हारे लिए कोई फूल की पंखुड़ी है।
In this world is not prepared for you with a carpet of petals of flowers for you to step on. Actually,
कांटे की जाल
Mayadev will keep some
है।
like some thorns on the floor, and you have to learn how to walk on these thorns of this life, because this is material world.
है?
This is the material world.
चलते हैं
When we walk
गर्मी के समय,
in the summertime,
कितने
how hot is the floor, isn't
आजकल
it?
भी कितने कड़ी धूप हो रहा है।
Today is too sunny.
है? दोपहर के समय कितने कड़ी धूप।
It's been 3-4 days at summertime, lunchtime. It's been so hot,
तात्पर्य उसी प्रकार जो
scorching sun.
धैर्य धारण
So I just want to say that we have to be patient.
संसार के चलने की तो यही
This is the
हमें शिक्षा है।
I have to learn how to live in this world like this.
प्रतिकूल की अनुकूल के
You have to-
अनुकूल करके जो चलते हैं, वही उनकी जो है कुशलता है।
This is like the art of living, how to be able to tolerate this favorable and unfavorable things will come in your life. In whose lives nothing unfavorable has come. Like everybody will experience this. Like something you don't want will happen, will come in your life. We want happiness,
है? किंतु आता है
but
क्या?
what does come? What does it come? Only unhappiness comes.
आत्मनाम दुःख होते सुखाय च पश्चित पाको विपर्य मिथुनो चरण निर्नाम। श्रीमद् भागवत में सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाठ
In Srimad Bhagavatam, Shukadeva Goswami, this sloka he spoke to Parikshit Maharaj. Which sloka I just said?
कामन्नो भी आरोह मनाना। इस संसार के लोग कर्म किसने करते हैं?
Why the people of this world they make the karma, the activities? Why?
आप वकील हो,
You are a lawyer, you are a teacher, you are a worker, whatever you do,
वाणिज्य कार्य। उद्देश्य क्या है? अर्थ कमाना।
your goal is to get money. And why do you want the money?
सुख प्राप्ति करे,
To be happy.
हैं? धन धीरे-धीरे बढ़े और उस धन के द्वारा
Because if you have
मैं
money,
मकान बना लूं,
you
अच्छी
can
तरह
like
से।
build a house, a very nice house.
घर में गर्मी के समय एसी लगा लूं।
Then you can have AC in your house in the summertime. So whatever we do to get money, to get money,
सबके एक ही उद्देश्य
actually everyone has got only one goal: to destroy the unhappiness or distress and to get the happiness. Who wants distress?
चाहते हैं,
Who?
किंतु
No
यहाँ पर
one. Everyone wants happiness.
आश्रय लेते हैं, काम करते
That's why we do the karma, the activities. We take shelter of the karma.
हैं। किंतु आता है
But what does it come to us?
विपरीत आ जाता है,
the opposite
तो
result.
सामान्य रूप में आ जाता है।
Okay, maybe a little bit of happiness will come, but mainly we get the
दुख ही है।
duk, only unhappiness.
दुख है कि नहीं? और धन फिर धन के संरक्षण करने
Okay,
भी
to
दुख
get the
है।
money is so much
धन के व्यवहार
unhappiness
करने
or like difficult.
भी माने खर्च करने भी दुख है।
Then to keep the money, also you feel there's so much unhappiness and stress, and to spend the money also.
धन कमाने में दुख नहीं है। आप इतने कष्ट करके दुकान में जाते
Like
हैं,
every,
कुछ भी आप काम
like
करते
whatever job you have, like for example, like if you are like you have some store, you have to work maybe 10 hours per day in your shop, suppose, to get the money, and then when you get the money, you have to protect your money so that no thief will come and steal your money. You know.
हैं। आजकल तो सरकार ने बैंक से बैंक आपका ट्रांसफर कर देती है। किंतु पहले
Nowadays we can do this bank transfers, you know, like everything like virtually, you know, not. But before it wasn't like that.
अच्छा हाँ अच्छा तो इसी प्रकार मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है श्रीमद् भागवत में कहा है
So what I want to say is that Srimad Bhagavatam explains.
लोग संसार में कर्म
People in this world, they do the karma. Why? To destroy the suffering and unhappiness and to get happiness.
उसके विपरीत आ जाता है।
But the opposite result is what we will get.
कर्मणो आप कर्णो की आरुमनम दुखे हते सुखाय च पश्चेत पाप विपर्य विपर्य यानी विपरीत आता है।
Viparja means the opposite comes.
नाम विराजन इस संसार में दुख दुखी
O king, in this world everyone is unhappiness. Only unhappiness is there. What to do? But still we have to live in this world, isn't it? We have to live here. We're living
जाने
here.
की कोई रास्ता नहीं।
There's no any other way out.
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
So what we should do?
सहनशीलता
You have to learn how to be tolerant.
सहनशीलता से। ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
राधा जी कह रही हैं
Shrimati Radhika is saying, Hey Devangana,
ये प्रति पद पद मैं इसको अनुभव करती हूँ है? और उसी की कहा जाता है प्रेम कहा जाता है। इस संसार की प्रेम तो हम उसी की कष्ट करके धन उपार्जन करते हैं।
so okay, after so much difficulty we get the money and then we take care and nourish our families, isn't it?
क्यों?
Why?
प्रेम
Because you have love for them.
प्रेम के लिए ही तो हम सबके लिए करते
So
हैं।
actually we do everything because of love. Why do
और
you
कोई कारण नहीं।
like get
अपने
money?
प्रियजन की कैसे
Try to earn money. Why?
वो
To be able to give happiness to those
और उस
who you
प्रेम
love.
और विशेष एक रहता है क्या?
Especially
मेरा
also,
सुख अपेक्षा
you want that your family will be happy. This is more important than your own happiness.
क्या वकील साहब ये चाहते नहीं चाहते?
Lawyer, sir, do you want this or not? Okay, all life you've been working and earning money. Why?
परिवारजनों के लिए
For your family.
अपने पत्नी के लिए अपने बेटा
Because
के
of
लिए,
your
अपने
wife,
बेटी के लिए,
your daughter, your
अथवा
son,
जो कुछ भी
or
आप किया, परिवारजन के लिए करते
for
हैं।
your family.
कोई सत प्रेम है, प्रीति
Because you love them.
करना पड़ता है।
So you
बेटा
have
के
to
लिखा
do.
पढ़ा सिखाया कि नहीं सिखाया?
You have to
उसके धन खर्च
you
किया
have
कि
you
नहीं
have to spend money in your son's education or not.
ये क्या क्या? तो ये पैसा कहाँ से आया?
So this money is coming from where? From your hard work, from your labor, and
के द्वारा परिवारजन को
like this you
पालन पोषण किया।
keep
क्यों?
maintain your
उस
family.
परिवारजन
Why?
में प्रेम है।
Because you love them. You
पैसा
love your
जहाँ
family.
आप वहीं पर खर्च करते हैं,
So we will spend the money where?
पर हमारे प्रेम
Where our love is. Means you spend money in things you love, for people you love.
किंतु इसमें और एक
For those who have affection.
उल्टा फल भी
But
होता है।
sometimes you get the opposite result.
क्या उल्टा होता है?
Which kind of opposite result?
बोलूं तो थोड़ा
If I tell you,
पत्ता के भांति
it will be very bitter, just like neem leaves. So I should not speak,
वो भी बोलना चाहिए।
but I should speak.
वही तो हम तम उसके फायदा वो सोचते हैं। इस संसार में जिसके लिए भी करो अंत काल में है, तुम्हारे ऊपर इतने प्रसन्न नहीं होंगे।
That in the end they will not be so happy with you. You can give all your blood for them,
तुम्हारे ऊपर प्रसन्न होंगे।
but will they be happy with you?
ऐसे नहीं करने किसके नहीं होता होता है, इसमें कोई
Okay, I'm not saying, I'm not blaming anyone, and I'm not saying that some, like, 8% of the cases this is true. Like, some families, they will be pleased. Yes, this is true. It's okay. It's not everyone. Like, it's not general. It's not like, but in the 80% of the cases,
ये दुख होता है तब।
they will not be happy
यदि
with you.
नहीं हो, भगवान
So this
जैसे
is a-
कर्म के अनुसार दिया वो तो ठीक है,
But
क्या करें? हैं? ये संसार की एक रीति है,
this is the
नियम है।
this is a rule, the tradition in this world.
अधिक रूप में दिखाया जाता है, तुम
Generally, we see that
जितने परिमाण जिसके लिए हमें इतने कष्ट
the
दिया,
more you give yourself and suffer for for one person,
दिखा जाता है,
in the
ये
end,
हमें,
you see that this person,
हैं? कष्ट देता है।
he's also giving suffering to you. He'll give suffering to
ये
you.
संसार की एक नियम है।
Actually, this is the rule of this
इसीलिए
world.
कहते हैं माइक जगत,
This is the Mike Jagat,
इसलिए
material
कहते हैं इस
world.
जगत में जाना है। यदि भगवान माया के द्वारा हमें कष्ट नहीं
So,
देते,
because if Bhagavan
तो हम
didn't,
यहीं पर रह जाते।
if Bhagavan didn't give us the suffering with Maya, we would want to stay here.
जेल है।
You know, I heard that in Western countries there is one kind of
इससे
jail.
कैदी जो है, उनकी ये देने पर क्या बोले, माने छुटकारा देने पर, हैं,
That even when
वो
you're
जेल
free,
से जान-
when even you're free from the jail, they don't want to leave the jail, the prisoners. Why?
बोले बाहर जा करके काम करना
Because
पड़ेगा,
if they go
जेल में
outside of the
रहने
jail,
भाई।
they will have to work, but in the jail they can be without working. I don't know if you know, you can see in the internet,
कुछ-कुछ देशों के
in
ऐसे
some
समस्त
countries,
प्रकार
the
के
jail
facility दिया
has
जाता है।
all kinds of facilities, some kinds of jail. TV, internet even,
खाना पीना सब कुछ।
drinking, food, everything they have.
तो अपने काम
But
करना
if you
पड़ेगा।
go outside the
बोले
jail,
भाई,
you have to work.
20 साल हम तो
So you think, oh, 20 years I was staying in this jail.
फिर और कितने साल बचेंगे कि 10 साल 5 साल
Maybe I have
बचेंगे।
only
इसके बाद
10
जेल से
years or
निकल
5 years
नहीं
left in my life, so better I just stay in the jail.
ऐसे ऐसे देश भी है।
So some countries this happens, yes.
वो जेल से जो है
That
कैदी
the
बाहर,
prisoners don't want to leave the jail. They don't want to go out. They don't want to be free.
किंतु हमारी माइक संसार
But,
जो जेल है,
so this jail of our material world, this samsara karagar,
इस कारागार में
Devi Maya,
कितने पिटाई करती है।
she's beating us so much.
और जिसको देख करके हमें कहते हैं प्रभु,
And then we
इस
see
संसार
this
से हमें
suffering and we
उठा
say, oh Prabhu, please take me out of this suffering of this material world.
दीजिए। कहते हैं नहीं कहते हैं?
Do we tell to God or not?
वो नहीं जाता था। हाँ, ये भी एक कथा है। एक बुढ़िया थी, कथा सुनाते थे।
Okay, I'll tell one story. Gurudev used to say one story. Maybe you've heard from lotus mouth of Gurudev this story. One old lady,
70-80 साल वृद्धा हो गई।
she was like 70 or 80 years old. She was an old lady.
और जंगल में थोड़ी सी लकड़ी काट करके जो है,
Then she used to survive
है, इकट्ठा
by
करके उसको
selling
बाजार में बेच करके
firewood.
वो अपना
Firewood.
जीविका निर्वाह
And like this, she would keep her life,
करती। एक दिन क्या कि वो
maintain herself. And then
ज्यादा जो है लकड़ी
one
जो है,
day,
इकट्ठा कर ली।
she gathered more
स्वयं जो है,
quantity of firewood, and she couldn't lift up on her head to carry this firewood.
और कमर में बहुत भी दर्द भी है।
Firewood, like dry wood, you know. So she used to sell this, and she had so much pain in her
कहने लगी,
hips.
अरे जब तुम सब कुछ देखती हो, क्या मुझे नहीं दिखाई पड़ते थे?
So she told to Jum, to the deaf personified, "You're seeing everyone, but can't you see to me?
तुम्हें नहीं दिखाई पड़ते? अरे सब
Can't you
को
see
तो
to me?
देखो, कहीं 10 साल बालक के तुम उठा लेते हो।
You take people of 50 years old. You take people of even boys of 10 years old. I'm 80 years old. I am so old. You are not seeing to me?" She told to the deaf. "Take me to the Jamalok."
लोग कहते हैं भाई आप भी कब तक रहे भाई, जल्दी जल्दी मृत्यु आ जाए तो अच्छा है, आसान नहीं है।
So some people say, "Oh, better I just die quickly. It's okay." So then Jam Maharaj came
महाराज जी बोले,
and told her, "Oh, old lady, okay, let's go with me." "Where? To where? To Jamalok." He said, "What? To Jamalok? No. But Jama told, "But you just told me, you called to me."
अलग करके बोले,
Then the old lady, she said, a little bit, she changed her words. She said, "No, I was calling.
ज्यादा हो गया ना।
I was calling you because this firewood which I'm taking, it's very heavy. I cannot take alone on my head. So I wanted you to carry like you."
हम मुख में ही कहते हैं,
So okay, now externally we say, "Oh God, take me quickly," but it's not so easy, like to die, like to give up on your life like that.
चलो
Okay, continuing.
ना ना, एक दिन शिकारी आएगा,
One day the hunter will come, he will put
है? और जाल,
the rice or the grains,
दाना डालेगा,
and then he'll put
जाल बिछाएगा,
the
और
net.
लोभ
It's
से
like a trap. And then don't collect these grains out of greed.
तो यहाँ पर जो कथा जो हम श्रीमद् भागवत
Continuing.
में जो स्वयं कह रहे हैं,
So in the Srimad Bhagavatam,
ये कर्मण्योऽपि आर्होमानानां दुःख होते सुखाय च पश्चात् पाप विपर्ज्य मिथुन चारण निराम। हे राजन, इस संसार के नियम ही है।
hey king, the rule of this world is like this. Which rule? What is this rule?
ये दुख हमारे कैसे प्राप्ति हो,
How can we get there?
दुख कैसे हमारे नाश हो,
How can we
और
destroy
सुख
our unhappiness, and how can we get the happiness? Everyone wants like this, but what comes is exactly the opposite.
कभी-कभी जीवन में सामान्य
Sometimes
रूप
in our lives we get little bit of happiness we see, but generally we get only unhappiness, unhappiness, unhappiness.
में इस जगत में सुखी कौन है?
Sadness. Who is happy in this material world? Who is happy in this world?
हैं? क्या वो कहते हैं ना, ये दरिद्र का है, धनी सुखी।
The poor man says the rich person is happy. Rich man says no. Who is richer than me? He is happy. Rich man, very rich man says no. The king is happy. King says no. The Maharaj, the emperor is happy. Emperor says no. Indra is happy. Indra says
हैं? चतुरानन ब्रह्मा सुखी।
no.
और ब्रह्मा
Four-headed
क्या
Brahma is happy. Brahma says I am not happy.
सुखी कौन है?
Who is happy?
जो भगवान की
Those who do bhajan of Bhagavan.
हैं?
Understand?
भगवान की जब तक हम भजन नहीं करें,
If we don't do the Bhagavat bhajan, how to get happiness?
सुखम अस्ति विरक्तस्य जनस्य, हैं? सुखम अस्ति, सुख कहाँ है?
Where is the happiness?
संसार से विराग होकर के, एक होता है राग और एक होता है
One thing is rag, attached. Another thing is virag.
आसक्ति में, और
It's like opposite of rag.
अरे मैं तो बताया आपको,
I'm telling you.
मैंने बताया ना, ये अनुलोम कहाँ है? विलोम है तो अनुलोम है, अनुलोम है तो विलोम। हाँ। हैं? विरक्ति तो हो, वो विरक्ति भी जो होता है क्षणिक काल के लिए,
So
टेम्पोररी।
sometimes we are detached, but it's only temporarily.
ये संसार उसी प्रकार है।
In this world is like
कहाँ पर
this.
तुम जाओ? हैं? हाँ, जा सकती हैं। वो तो जाएगा, एकमात्र तो सत्संग ही जाएगा।
You can only go with association of sadhu, otherwise not.
चलो, बहुत अच्छी बात आपने सुना दी।
Very nice what you said.
अभी हम जिस कथा में जा रहे, कथा को प्रसंग में हम आगे थोड़ा बढ़े, इसलिए श्रीमती राधिका कारी प्रेम उसी की कहा जाता है। ये जड़ जगत के प्रेम जड़ प्रेम कहा जाता है।
So this material world is called, this material love is called Jara Prem, material love.
अचित जगत में उसको क्या कहा जाता है? स्पिरिचुअल लव।
And in transcendental world we have this
इसमें अंतर है।
transcendental love, and these two prems, loves, they are different. What is the difference between them? Actually, they look like same. Just like, for example, we love our mother, father, brothers, husband, wife. We stay with them with love. In Goloka Vrindavana, the Vrajavasis, they do same.
उनकी भी गाय
They also do that. They also have cows. They have
दूध काटते हैं,
they
गोसेवा आदि करते
they
हैं।
serve the cows. They have agriculture. They have the crops. You know, they plant stuff,
सब एक केंद्रित
food.
होता है।
But everything they do, they are one pointed.
सब कुछ क्या करते हैं वो?
Because everything they do is for Krishna.
गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति, गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति, हे कृष्ण हे जादव हे सखेति, गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति, गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति, गोविंद दामो सभी कई नवेली पति को जगावे प्राणी सो जागो अबनी दत्तगो बेला ई है हरि गीत गावो गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति। इसको तो आप लोग जानते हैं।
You know
अभी
this?
शादी करके आई, रात
So she just got married. This lady, she's sleeping
है, थोड़ा पुरुष थोड़ा आलसी है
because the man is a little bit lazy.
और पत्नी क्या बोले उसको, जो क्या बोलते हैं इसको, दुल्हन दुल्हन
So they just got married. They are like bridegroom.
है, वो जल्दी उठे बोले अरे अभी क्यों सोए हुए उठे।
So the bride means the lady. She woke up and said, "Husband, why are you still sleeping? You see, sun has already risen.
दोनों हम लोग क्या करें,
So let's together do kirtan."
ढन ढन करें, अरे एक मृदंग वाले बजने तो होना चाहिए।
So the pujari only play the bell. No, also mridanga should be there.
तुम हम गोविंद के उठाए जगाए
Okay,
गोविंद दामोदर
so I will
तुम कम से कम तक
I will wake up Govinda. So at least you should play mridanga. So the wife like telling the husband. Wake up, give up your laziness. Until when are you continue sleeping? For how long more will you sleep? So this kirtan is in the Giti Gucha. Even those who like to learn knowledge, they also chant.
हे कृष्ण हे जादव हे सखेती गोविंद दामोदर माधवेती। कोई अपने छोटे बच्चा के जो है ये दे रहे, क्या बोले, सांत्वना दे रहे, बच्चा रो रहे हैं।
So
और वो बच्चा
a child is crying.
वो क्या करेगी, माँ क्या करेगी, उसके पीठ पर
So the mother is
सब थपा रही है, क्या
like tapping the kid in her back and pacifying the kid, the child, while singing.
गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति। देखो मेरे कहने की ये तात्पर्य यह है, इस जड़ जगत में प्रेम और अपराजित चित जगत में प्रेम की यही अंतर है।
So this is the difference between the flame of this world and of transcendental world. Those in the transcendental world, the Vrajavasis, whatever they do for the happiness of Govinda, Govinda's happiness.
भागवत में वर्णन आ रहे,
The Bhagavad explains.
गायन्ति चैननुरक्त धियवो श्रुकण्ठो धन्ना व्रजस्त्रियो पुनक्रमचित्तजानो। सुखदेव गोस्वामी कहने लगे,
Shukadeva Goswami Pad says,
हे महाराज
"Hey Maharaj Prakrit, listen,
कृष्ण जब वृंदावन में विराजमान
when
थे,
Krishna was in Vrindavana,
ब्रजवासियों की कृष्ण के प्रति कैसे प्रबल अनुराग,
the Vrajavasis had so much love and affection for Krishna. What can I say?
जात होने अपहरणे मतन प्रलेप, गो दहन के समय माने दूध काटने के समय,
In the time of when they are milking the cows,
मन बस
their minds and bodies just in
केवल
Govinda.
ऊपर से तो एक मात्र कार्य करते जा रहे हैं।
Okay, externally they are like milking the cows,
किंतु क्या करें, उनके चित्त मन
but their minds, their hearts is just in Govinda, absorbed in Govinda.
अथवा चावल अथवा गेहूं के कुटने के समय ही गोविंद की मन,
Even when they're milking the cows, they're thinking only about Govinda.
अथवा दधि दुग्ध आदि मंथन करने के समय अथवा गृह में जो अनुलेपन करे माने
When they're cleaning the house,
लेपने के समय गोबर
they clean the house with the cow dung,
कंडा आदि देने के समय
or when they're making the cow patties,
एकमात्र गोविंद छोड़कर
cow dung patties. They are only thinking about Govinda.
इसलिए जागोने अबोहने मसन पड़िपो प्रेम से छनाड रुदियो छनमार जनादो गायंती चैन अनुरक्त थियो श्रुकंठो और जब ये गोविंद के नाम लेते
And when they chant names of Govinda, when they chant holy names of Govinda, their hearts melted. Their hearts melt, and then
आंसू की धारा
tears come from their eyes.
है तो उसी की कहता है कृष्ण संसार
So this is Krishna
संसार
Samsar,
बेकार नहीं है
family of Krishna.
इसलिए हमारे भक्तिमान ठाकुर
That's
जी
why
ने क्या
Bhaktivinoda
कहा?
Thakur says, what does he say?
कृष्ण संसार करो छाड़ियो नाचार जीवे दया कृष्ण नाम सर्वधर्मो सार कृष्ण संसार करने के
You
लिए
have to do the family of Krishna,
कृष्ण संसार
Krishna Samsar.
ये जो कुछ भी हम देख रहे हैं, सब भगवान की है
So you think that everything you see belongs to Lord.
तेने तब तक भुंजिता मां बिल्कुल कष्ट सिद्ध है इस संसार में सब भगवान की है
Everything belongs to God.
भगवान की सब कुछ मान करके
If you think everything belongs to Lord,
संसार धर्म पालन
and then you follow the samsara dharma, means like rules of this world, keeping family and everything. This,
और उसी के द्वारा भगवत
like if you live in this world thinking everything belongs to Lord, then this is the door of liberation, and then you get Bhagavat
जितने भी
Prem.
काम करते रहे
So whatever you do,
क्या होता है वो तमोदारम
if you give up Lord, like if you leave Lord and do everything in this world you can do, this is
दारम
the way to Maya, way to darkness.
भगवान के छोड़ करके
So,
जितने भी कार्य
whatever you do, whatever work you do, but if you give up Lord, like if you not do for Him, if you don't do for Him, this is the
मुक्ति के कारण
way
भगवान
of
की
um, to be bind
भगवान के
in this
छोड़
world.
करके हम जितने भी कार्य करें
So the way of liberation is to serve God.
बंधन के
So if you don't do anything for God, if you give up Him and do anything else, this is the cause of bondage.
क्या बता रहे
So what is the cause of bondage and liberation?
हैं? जो है
Srimad Bhagavatam exactly describes this.
संसार में हम जो प्रेम रखते हैं
We have love in this world. That's why we become bound.
जब हम भगवान में
But if we put this prem, if you apply this prem to Lord, to God,
मुक्त हो जाते
you'll become liberated.
हैं लगाना पड़ेगा
So you have to apply this to Lord.
हम जो सेवा आदि करें
So when you do the service, whatever we do
भगवान के लिए
is for Lord.
तपस्वी जन मनस्वी न श्लोक है ना
That shloka is saying,
भागवत में द्वितीय स्कंद
I
में
think it's second or third canto of Bhagavatam, this shloka is there, that whatever we have to do, like meditation, jap,
आदि सब
whatever you do,
वो है क्या है ना भगवत परा है वेद परा इसको याद है
do you remember this shloka?
वेद परा फर्स्ट लाइन जो याद नहीं है
The first line I'm not remembering now.
मनस्य न जगत जनस्य वो सब जो है उनकी तन मन सब गोविंद में लगा रहा है
So their mind and bodies is completely absorbed in Govinda. That's why Isha Upanishad is saying this shloka.
जत्किंच जगत जगत तेन तक्ता भुंजिता मागत कष्टसित सभी प्रभु के ही है
Everything belongs to Lord.
स्त्री पुत्र परिवार कोई बेकार
Your
नहीं है
family, husband, wife, this is not
उसके
useless.
साथ क्या करो
But you have to
प्रभु के ही मानो
think they belong to Lord.
मुझे पत्नी मिली
According to my karma, I got a wife. According to my karma, I got a son. According to my previous karma, I got a husband. Whatever I got
हमारे पूर्वज कर्म के अनुसार तो
is according to our previous karma. That's why these things are coming.
तो उसी की
So,
भगवान की
You have to
मान
think
लो बस।
this thing, all of them belong to God.
प्रभु के दिए हुए वस्तु
They are things that God gave to me. I mean, they are people. I mean, God gave it to me, gave them to me, and I have to apply them in service to Lord. So that wife is not a wife if that wife
भगवान की सेवा में नहीं लगाते
is not helping you to serve God. That husband is not a husband if that husband
भगवान की सेवा में मुझे नहीं लगा
is not engaging me in the service of Lord.
वो सजन सजन नहीं है मित्र
That
मित्र नहीं
that
है
friend is not a friend. That if that friend is not engaging me in the service of Lord,
वे तो मित्रम जो मेरे मृत्यु से है, रोकना नहीं चाहते हैं
those
मृत्यु क्या है
those who can't stop me from dying.
एक मृत्यु है
Okay, to die is one kind of death, mrityu. Okay, but actually, meaning of mrityu, death.
आत्मा पुनः
You know, because you give up your body, but your subtle body will again come back and back and back.
और वासना के अनुसार
according to your desires and your attachments. Your subtle body will continue wandering in this world. Maybe you'll take birth in the same family,
कथा सुनाते हैं
in other body. So that's why I tell the story.
कमर जिसको तोड़ दिया
That man who had his
कैलाश
hip broken, Kailash Katha. Many days I haven't told you this story of Kailash.
कहाँ जाएगा
Where will you go?
कैलाश की कथा कौन जानते हैं
Who knows the story of Kailash?
है कि नहीं ये कैलाश की जो है, वास्तव ये दिखाते जा रहे हैं
So this story really shows us.
छोड़ेंगे नहीं ये तुम्हारे हैं? किंतु जब तुम्हारे कमर के जब तोड़ देंगे
Like, but when they broke his hip or his back,
हैं?
you know, then he understood, oh,
अब नहीं आऊंगा।
like his own sons broke his back. Remember the story of Kailash? Brackets?
अरे कैलाश की कथा बोली तो ये कथा नहीं होगा ना
Because if I tell all the story of Kailash, then this katha will not
बहुत लोग
continue.
सब सुनते
But everyone's heard it. Many people know this story.
हैं। हाँ किसे सुना देंगे जब?
Okay, later.
तो ये संसार क्या है कहते हैं दुखमय है कि सुखमय
So
है?
this world is full of happiness or unhappiness, distress or happiness. Dukkhamoy or sukhamoy means has place of happiness or distress. You have to realize, like to feel. Pariksha, like you have to realize yourself, like you have to see, and you have to very well, you have to see by your own if this world has happiness or distress.
हम दुख
When you really
समझ पाएंगे
understand
समझ पाएंगे
that is only unhappiness and distress, dukkha and dukh, then you will try to be free from this.
दुख के जब हम सुख रूप में
But if you still think that this unhappiness is happiness,
आसक्ति के
then we will continue attached
कोई आसक्ति
here.
का कारण बन जाता है
So this is the cause of our bondage.
कुछ कारण नहीं
There's no any other reason.
जो कहते हैं
So
प्रेम की जो परिभाषा यहाँ पर भी स्वयं राधा जी का
Srimati Radhika is telling the definition of prem here.
हे सखी यह निश्चित है कि कृष्ण प्रभुमान नहीं है यह सत्य नहीं इसे सत्य ही जानना मैं उनके आचरण के द्वारा ऐसे अनुमान करती हूँ कि तुम्हारे अनुताप रूप दावानल में दब दब मेरे प्राण भी यह कह रही क्या है तुम्हारी सखियों की
But Saki, I'm telling you-
अर्थात देवांगना कह रही
Verse 98 now, 98.
ये वास्तव कृष्ण
Devangana is
प्रभुमान
saying-
नहीं है। कृष्ण प्रेम नहीं करते हैं
Actually, Krishna doesn't love.
एक प्रकार से सत्य हो जाता है यदि कृष्ण के कहा जाए
So if Krishna
भगवान
says,
को स्वीकार किया जाए तो भगवान होने से भगवान में दो गुण रहता
because if Krishna, you accept Krishna as being Bhagavan, Bhagavan has two
है
qualities.
भगवान में दो ऐसे दोष गुण माने दो क्या बोलते हैं गुण नहीं है ऐसे दो पंडितों की भाषा में कहते हैं
According to the Pandit's language,
दो ऐसे अवगुण रहता है अवगुण
Krishna has two defects, two flaws.
dismerit।
Apagun, mean like
वो जो है
demerit,
कहते हैं
demerit.
वो आत्मरामता
Srimati Radhika says, Atmaramata and Aptakamata.
भगवान शब्द हम जब प्रयोग करेंगे
Because when you say that Krishna is Bhagavan, if you use this word
भगवान के
Bhagavan,
ये दो गुण।
Bhagavan he has these
क्योंकि ये
two
गुण क्या है, देवगुण क्या है, ये दोनों गुण
two
क्या है?
flaws, two
दोषों स्वरूप है।
bad qualities like flaws, defects. So it was Atmaramata and
दूसरी भाषा में
Aptakamata.
तो दूसरी अर्थ बता देते।
According to the Vaishnava language,
वास्तव रूप में जो है
we
वेदांत
give
के
other
शब्द में
meaning, but according to Vedantic conception, according to the Vedanta and the Tattva Vichar,
तत्व विचार में कृष्ण वास्तव रूप में है कि जब भगवान
Krishna is what? If you say Krishna is Bhagavan,
यदि उसके भगवान स्वीकार
if you accept Krishna as being Bhagavan, so he will have these two qualities. Atmaramata,
क्या है?
he will be Atmaram, means those who are he's self-satisfied.
सुख दुख में वो भागीदार है।
He's not,
नहीं, मरने दो।
if a person has to die, let him die. Like he doesn't interfere with other people's happiness, unhappiness, anything. He's just already self-satisfied. This is Atmaram.
काम जिसके समस्त प्रकार
Aptakam, all his desires
अपना क्या हो गया
are
समाप्त हो गया।
satisfied.
इसके दो उदाहरण दे रहे
So two examples are given in the Srimad Bhagavatam.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी के पाद की क्या उदाहरण दिया
Shukadeva Goswami Pada, his example of Atmaram, Atmaramata.
अब तो काम किसके
And
उदाहरण दिए?
Aptakam, who is this example of Aptakam?
वो सीता जी के
The father of Sita Ji, Sita Devi.
कौन सा जन्म
Who,
जन्म तो
Janak.
बाकी है।
Which Janak? There are so many Janaks.
सिरध्वज विधराज
Siradhaj Bideharaj Janak.
सिरध्वज नाम उसका
So his name is
सिरध्वज
Siradhaj Videharaj Janak.
जनक
This is the name of father of Sita Devi. So this is a
जैसे
title.
आपके नाम मिश्रा हो गया,
Like Janak actually is a title, like just like your Mishra and everything. So you have to specify his complete name to know who you're talking about.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी उदाहरण दे रहे हैं, आत्माराम।
So, okay, Shukadeva Goswami, he's Atmaram. When he was born from the womb of his mother, he was running towards the forest, and his father, Vyasadeva, was explaining, running after him, oh my son, oh my son. But Shukadeva Goswami didn't even turn, not even once, back to see his father. To look at his father, he didn't look behind. So Sutta Goswami is telling the rishis headed by Shaunaka Rishi, he's saying, listen about the story, life history of Shukadeva Goswami. When he was born from his mother's womb, he was naked and like 16 years old already, and his hair was scattered, and his eyes were just like half blossoming lotuses. And he was running, and chasing after him, his father was yelling, no, screaming, oh my son, oh my son. But not even once did he turn back to at least see, look at his father. No, he didn't look behind, not even once. He was just running into the forest. Because if someone has his mind into Brahma, what will he see in this world? Bhagavan is also like this, Atmaram, just absorbed in himself. But the Gaudiya Vaishnavas explain, okay, Atmaram actually means that Krishna is happy with Srimati Radhika, but this is like a Madhurya meaning, the sweet meaning about this. But according to Tattva, Atmaram means like this. So if you say that Bhagavan is Atmaram Purush, okay, this sloka Atmaram Shamanaya explained that even those who are Atmaram, those who are self-satisfied, when they listen Bhagavad Katha, they become attached to Lord. Aptakam, now another example. This Shirodaj Janak Videharaj, father of Sita Devi. Sita Devi's father. He never dropped one tear, not even once. Generally, no, because he was Aptakam. But when his dear daughter Sita Ji got married, not even that time he cried. But in Ramayana explains that when Sita Devi was leaving her father's house to go to in-laws to Ayodhya, Sita Devi came saying, oh my father, and she hugged her father. So this meeting of daughter and father. So in this moment, a little bit of drop of tear came in the eyes of Janak Maharaj. Yes, because of course she's the manifestation of Srimati Radhika, the pleasure potency of Lord. So if somebody touches Hladini Shakti, of course their heart will melt. But still, nothing happened to him. Just a little bit, some tears, nothing else. Because he was this Aptakam person. Even when they met with Bharat, where? In Chitrakoot, they met after. But Bharat Maharaj, how he speaks, no? He speaks in such a way, and isn't it? So this is the quality of Lord. Aptakamata and Atmaramata. Two qualities. So when you say like Bhagavan, so these two things will always be there. But if you say Premik, don't say like Bhagavan, just say Premik. Premik like lover, beloved. So Krishna is not Atmaram and Aptakam. He's not like Janak Maharaj, and also not like Shukadeva Goswami also. He's not like them. He's Premavan, he's full of Prem. He's a lover, beloved, no, lover, Premik. If someone has Prem, the heart melts.
स्नेह आदि आकर के चित्त के
the sneha, this affection, all these things come and melt the heart.
प्रेम की यही लक्षण है।
This is the symptom of prem.
इसलिए इसी प्रकार भी कह रहे हैं स्वयं राधा जी कह रहे हैं
So Shrimati Radhika herself, she's saying, "Hey Devi,
आपने जो हमारे प्राण प्रियतम कृष्ण के जो कहा ये छल है कपट
you
है
said that Krishna is chal, kapat,
जो कुछ भी कहा
like he's a cheater, he's a hypocrite and has duplicity, but this is not true."
समाप्त करें, प्रभु ये कहाँ चले गए?
I know I will finish here because Prabhu came and
हाँ, बस के अभी तो 1 मिनट में समाप्त करता हूँ।
in 1 minute I'll finish the
राधा
class.
जी यही कहते जा रहे हैं
So Shrimati Radhika is saying,
हे देवांगना आप ये अपने वास्तव रूप में अपने परिचय दे दीजिए।
Devangana, you have to tell me really who you are. What did I say?
राधा जी स्वयं वो देवांगना के कहने लगे
Shrimati Radhika is telling now,
हे
Devangana,
देवांगना वास्तव रूप में आप अपने परिचय दीजिए।
please give your own, like give your real introduction, like tell really who you are.
देवांगना बार स्वर्ग के अप्सरा
Because you're
अवतार
saying
के
that you
परिचय
were
दे रहे हैं, इसमें मेरा कुछ
heavenly damsel, but I'm doubting, I'm not believing so much about this.
कोई यदि निंदा करे वो निंदा नहीं सहन नहीं सकते।
Because
जैसे साधारण ही कथा सुनी
I'll tell you one,
भक्ति राज्य में
for example, in Bhakti,
जहाँ है गुरु निंदा तथा ना जाइबा
you should not go where your guru is criticized. You should never hear criticism of your guru, isn't it?
ये कीर्तन करो
This
आश्रय
kirtan,
करिया बंद, ये सबसे
Ashraya
बड़ी
Koriya Bandhu, this is the topmost kirtan. Ashraya Koriya Bandhu, the topmost kirtan of Guru Vandana,
मिले भाई से
of glorifying the Guru,
जहाँ है गुरु निंदा तथा ना
to
जाइबा
glorify the Guru. So this kirtan says, you should never look at the face of one who criticizes your Guru. Also, you should not go to any place where your Guru is criticized, otherwise which benefit will you get there?
है उसके मुख में
So you should never look at the face of one who criticizes your Guru.
है
This kirtan explains.
साधक के लिए
So even for a normal sadhaka, we see this.
कुछ नहीं है माने साधारण नहीं साधक
I mean, a normal sadhaka, neophyte devotee, also this instruction is given. So even for a neophyte devotee,
तथा ना जाइबा
even
गुरु निंदु के मुख कबू ना
even to a neophyte devotee, this instruction is given. So
और जहाँ पर प्रेम उत्पन्न
imagine
हो
if the
जाए
person has prem.
और प्रेमिक प्रियजन के कोई निंदा करो
If somebody criticizes your lover, how will you tolerate that?
इसलिए राधा जी कह रही
That's why Shrimati Radhika is saying,
देवांगना
"Hey
तुम
Devangana,
बताओ,
so tell me,
तुम अपने परिचय दो
tell me really who you are,
तुम और कुछ होगा
because I'm suspecting something is there.
तुमने निंदा किया
Because
कृष्ण
you
निंदा किया।
criticized to Krishna,
ये कृष्ण छाल है
you
कपट
told
है,
that Krishna was a cheater and
मैं
this,
समस्त निंदा को मैं सहन कर लिया
and how am I able to tolerate all your
एक तो
criticism?
तुम्हारे युक्ति को खंडन करने के लिए
Okay, for two reasons. One, to defeat your arguments, and second,
कह रही हो
because
है, तुम निंदुक नहीं हो
actually you're not criticizing
कभी-कभी
him.
क्या होता है
Because sometimes what happens
निंदा छल से वो उसकी ही
looks like a criticism, but internally he's glorifying the person.
नित्यानंद
Just like Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu.
पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा दोनों गुरु भाई है
Both were God brothers.
अद्वैत आचार्य
Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu.
दोनों ही तो क्या है देखो है नित्यानंद प्रभु किसके शिष्य है
Nityananda Prabhu, he was the disciple of
नहीं कोई की मतांतर में माधवेंद्र प्रदीप लक्ष्मीपति के तीर्थ कहा जाता है
Lakshmipati Tirtha.
अच्छा कोई भी कहते हैं उसमें दो भी लिखा है
Okay, it's written in the books. Some people say he was disciple of Madhavendra Puripad, and some people say he was disciple of Lakshmipati Tirtha.
अद्वैत आचार्य के
But Advaita Acharya was disciple, surely,
माधवेंद्र
of Madhavendra Puripad. Okay, so they are like God brothers.
किंतु जब अद्वैत आचार्य
But when Advaita Acharya and Nityananda Prabhu,
दोनों में कैसे कंदोल हुए
they were in the house together,
प्रेम
they were having loving quarrels, like they were fighting, but
अरे तुम है अरे महाप्रसाद नित्यानंद महाप्रसाद ग्रहण
so
किया
Nityananda Prabhu was taking Mahaprasad, and then he was throwing the Mahaprasad everywhere. Advaita Acharya said, how can you do that?
झूठा क्यों करते हो
Why are you contaminating everything with your remnants?
अनेक प्रकार जो है
So
उसकी
they were quarreling
तलन होने लगी
about many things,
क्योंकि कहीं कहीं गुरु भाई गुरु
because sometimes God brothers,
उससे तुम बीच में मत जाओ
if
तुम्हारे सर्वनाश हो जाएगा
if God brothers are fighting, you should not come in the middle, otherwise everything will be destroyed for you, because also you'll not understand what is going on. So sometimes two God brothers,
कोई हंस परिहास
they may be joking to each other or fighting.
उसके बीच
You
में
should not
शिष्य को जाना
The disciple of one of them should not come in the middle.
तुम्हारे सर्वनाश
If you come in the middle, everything will be destroyed for you. Some another example in the Bhagavatam is
मैं भूल गया
you forgot everything.
प्रगतु महाराज और
The story of Chitraketu Maharaj and Shivaji.
संकर्षण के शिष्य
Both were disciples of Shankarshan. Chitraketu Maharaj. Do you understand, lawyer sir? Prabhu, do you understand?
चित्रकेतु महाराज और
Chitraketu Maharaj and Shiva. Both were disciples of Baladev Prabhu Sankarshan.
किंतु दोनों ही एक दूसरे के उपहास मानो करने लगे
So they were like laughing to each other, like they were like mocking each other.
के साथ थोड़ा हंस मजाक कर
So Chitraketu Maharaj thought, oh, Shiva is my god brother, so I can do some mocking. I can like mock him. Oh, you're sitting in the assembly of the demigods and you have your wife sitting on your lap. This is not good behavior.
सुनते ही
Like he was like joking with him, like a mocking. But then Devi Parvati listened to this and she said, what? Don't you know that my husband, he's an Uttam Maha Bhagavat.
दोस्त देखना नहीं चाहिए
You should not see his faults.
तो भागवत नहीं है
But you think Chitraketu Maharaj, he's not a Uttam Bhagavat also? He doesn't know his own god brother that he's also a Uttam Bhagavat?
क्या की
Then
देवी पार्वती ने
Devi Parvati,
तो श्राप दे दिया
she gave a curse to Chitraketu Maharaj that he should become demon.
उसके फलस्वरूप क्या हुआ?
He accepted the curse, but as a result, Shivaji,
किसको त्याग दिया?
he gave up to Parvati.
हाँ, मेरा गुरु भाई
Shiva told, look, my god brother was just making fun, like joking with me, some, fun, mocking fun, like this. This is actually his glory.
छलवे निंदा के द्वारा वो हमारे
Actually, when he was criticizing him, actually he was
उत्तम भागवत ही ये कार्य कर
he was actually glorifying me because only a Uttam Bhagavat can do this, what I do.
और जो विधि आदि निषेध को उल्लंघन कौन कर सकता
So who can break the rules of society?
उत्तम महाभारत
Just an Uttam Mahabhagavat.
उत्तम भागवत नहीं है कनिष्ठ हो
So if a person is Kanishta
आचरण करे
and is trying to imitate the behavior of Uttam Bhagavat,
निरायगामी होने नरक
then of course this person will go to hell.
हुआ उसके बाद
This is another thing. Do you understand?
है? तो वास्तव रूप में
So actually, Chitraketu Maharaj,
शिव जी की निंदा नहीं
he was not criticizing, he didn't criticize Shiva. He was just joking, like mocking. But actually he wanted to establish in the society of demigods.
तुम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे
Hey demigods, you're sitting here.
कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हो मन ही मन सोच रहे हो
Maybe you're thinking something in your mind. Oh, how Shiva can be naked, naked, sorry. How can Shiva be with his wife in his thigh and giving Harikatha? But actually, Shiva is an Uttam Mahabhagavat.
और उत्तम महाभागवत जो है सब विधि के द्वारा
So,
वो बने
Uttam
हुए हैं।
Mahabhagavat is not bound by all the rules.
यही तो कहना चाहते हैं
That's what Chitraketu Maharaj wanted to say.
यही कहना चाहते
That's what he wanted to say.
हैं उल्टी वो समझ ली
But Parvati understood the opposite.
दिया अभिशाप
And she gave a curse to him. And this came back to her because Shivaji rejected her.
तो चुप कहाँ पर आएगा अपने पर आगे नहीं आएगा इसलिए देखो उसके लिए कितना उनको रिझाना पड़ा कष्ट उठाना पड़ा कि नहीं पड़ा
So then later she suffered so much, she had to suffer. Like if you spit looking up, this spit will come to your face.
जय जय श्री राधे हाँ गाइए माइक दे
Please sing. Like yesterday, Gurudev was speaking about that chemical reaction. I mean, not yesterday. In the time, it was today, sorry. Today in the morning. Gurudev was telling about that chemical reaction, about that two things. One thing is this, some gum like a resin from one tree, which is called dhuna, also known as damar gum. Those who want to search, or it's like one resin that they burn and has good smell and protects the house from insects and other bad things, like bad animals, bad insects like this. And then they burn it to make this good smell come. It's one kind of resin. This is the picture. Gurudev was saying this dhuna. And then Gurudev said if there's some chemical reaction they make, that you mix this with the white lime. You know white lime, everybody knows. So they mix, like after like grinding, they mix them together and then they put, maybe they add some chemical or not, Gurudev was saying, and then they put this in the fire again. So you put this mixture of the white lime and this kind of gum or resin of this tree, this dhuna, and then they put on the fire, and what happens? Okay, this, you saw that this resin, this wood is like golden color, right? You see, like golden color, like turmeric color, Gurudev was saying, and this white lime is white. But when they mix them together and put in the fire, the mixture becomes with the color of kajal, like black, like this, you know. So Gurudev was giving this example about how Radha and Krishna, their prema vivarta, like the whirlpool of love and everything like that, they become like one, like this. I'll end it here. Those who want to continue watching, please go to the other live in the same page for the kirtan. Jai Sri Gurudev ki jai.